Welcome to Local Traders. Today, we'll show you how to easily deposit cryptocurrency into your local trader's wallet. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the local trader's website and enter your email and password to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one first. Step 2. Go to your wallet. Once logged in, look for the wallet option in the top menu. Click on it to open your wallet. Step 3. Click on Receive Crypto. In your wallet, you'll see various options. Click on Receive Crypto to start the deposit process. Step 4. Choose the cryptocurrency. You'll see a list of cryptocurrencies you can deposit. For this example, select USDT. Make sure you choose the correct currency you want to deposit. Step 5. Select the network. Now, choose the correct network for your transaction. You'll see options like Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum. Make sure to pick the network that matches the asset you're sending. Choosing the right network ensures smooth processing and avoids delays or loss. Step 6. Get your unique deposit address. After selecting the network, a unique deposit address will be generated for you. Use this address to send your cryptocurrency. Step 7. Copy the deposit address. Highlight the deposit address and copy it. You can right-click and select Copy or use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+C or Command+C on Mac. Step 8. Send cryptocurrency. Now, open your external wallet or exchange. Look for the option to send or withdraw cryptocurrency. Paste your local trader's deposit address into the recipient field. Double-check everything is correct. Step 9. Wait for confirmation. After sending, it may take some time for your deposit to be processed. Confirmation times vary depending on network traffic, so be patient. You can track the transaction on the blockchain. Important reminders. Patience is key. Deposits are not instant. Allow time for confirmation. Double-check everything. Sending to the wrong address or network can lead to loss of funds. Be aware of fees. Local traders does not charge deposit fees, but external wallets or exchanges may have fees. Test with a small amount. Before sending large amounts, consider a small test deposit to ensure everything works correctly. Last warning. Local traders is not responsible for any financial loss due to mistakes. Double-check your details before sending. Cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. Need help? If you have any questions or need help, our customer support team is available 24/7. Thank you for watching. Happy trading with Local Traders peer-to-peer crypto exchange. Enjoy the security and convenience of our platform.